How to fix guilt to 6 steps from a space. Ava. Olivia, you look tense. Is everything all right? Olivia, I've got this headache. I can't stop thinking about what I did yesterday. I snapped at a teammate. Now I feel so guilty. It's like a weight I can't drop. Chapter 1. What is guilt? Ava. Guilt feels heavy because it's meant to get your attention. It's your mind's way of saying something needs care. But guilt isn't here to punish you forever. It can help you change. Want me to show you 6 steps to help lift that weight? Chapter 2. How to fix guilt to 6 steps. Ava. All right. Here's what I suggest. Step 1. Name it. Say it out loud or write it down. I feel guilty because I snapped at my teammate. Facing guilt directly stops it from growing in the dark. Step 2. Find the why. Ask yourself, why do I feel guilty? Is it because you broke your own rule? Or because you hurt someone? Knowing the real reason shows you where to start fixing it. Step 3. Talk it out. Don't keep it locked up. Sharing guilt makes it lighter. You're doing it now. And that's brave. Step 4. Make it right. If you can fix what happened, a simple, honest apology goes a long way. It's a kind action can help rebuild trust and your own peace of mind. Be kind to yourself. You'd forgive me if I snapped under stress, right? Olivia, of course I would. Ava. So, forgive yourself too. Talk to yourself like you would to a friend. I'm human. I make mistakes. I learn. Step 6. Learn and release. Ask, what can I do better next time? Then let guilt teach you, and let it go. Guilt's job is to guide you, not to chain you. Chapter 3. Overcome guilt. Olivia. That actually helps. I think I can say sorry, and then maybe I can forgive myself, too. Ava. That's the goal. And remember, if guilt ever feels too heavy, talking to a mental health professional can help lighten it. Have you ever felt weighed down by guilt? Tell us how you handled it in the comments. Your story might help someone else out here in the stars, or back on Earth. And don't forget to subscribe for simpler, science-backed mental health tips.
See you in the next one.